ID dude. Let's see. Today we're gonna be making a beat using one of Bone Produced its new loops that he just sent out. I'm gonna bring in a drum loop. This is an 87 BPM beat, so we're gonna go ahead and look through some of these 87 BPM drum loops that I have pre-made. This one might be a good one, but we're gonna go ahead and wait. We're gonna go ahead and see which one of these three drum loops works the best. So we'll go ahead and mute these two. This is the first. This one's called Blade. All right, that one sounds cool. I like that one. Let's see the next one real quick. So as you can see, that one doesn't fit because this is a 3-step drum bass up, whereas this is a 4-step kick pattern, so that's not gonna work. I can tell that's not gonna work. We're gonna go ahead and use drum loop called Blade. Mind you guys, I want you guys to remember that these drum loops are basically starter loops, okay? You can use these loops as your full-on drum patterns, that's cool. But if you really want to be creative and unique, I would suggest that you just use these as starting points, foundations for your beats, and then, you know, build on them, right? Alright, so we're going to swap these real quick. So now we're going to go ahead and build on the drum loop. Alright, so first thing I want to do is I want to add a couple more hi-hats. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And then usually what I do just to kind of throw a little quick mix on it is I'll up the shift, at the out a little bit. And yeah, so now let's go into the piano roll and let's get some hi-hat patterns going. Alright, cool. So that sounds good. So next thing we'll do is we're going to throw in some panning effects. So what you do is you go to right here to control, no pan. Alright, so up is left, down is right. So we're going to go ahead and start off by panning. So the first two we'll have just a little bit to the left. And we're going to go to the right. Middle, right, middle, right, middle, right. Alright, so as you can tell, the hi-hat's already hitting in different sides of the ears. So that's good. Let's listen to the beat real quick. Alright, so with Bris beats, usually there's a dog bark in the beat, so I'm going to add that next.